In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a fireplace secret entrance. Hey guys, how's it going? It's rarePixels, and today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to make this fireplace secret entrance. You can hit this button over here, and the entrance will open up and you can go through. Then to get back out, all you have to do is hit this button, and you're out. The fireplace also relights itself after it's been used. Let's get started with the tutorial. We're going to be building the fireplace entrance on a wall. So the first thing we want to do is make a hole in the wall for the fireplace. I'll be making a 3-block long fireplace, but the length of the fireplace can be whatever you want. I'm going to start by making a 3-block long hole in the wall, just like this. I'm also going to remove the blocks at the bottom of this layer, and the layers in front of it and behind it, just like this. In the hole we just made, we'll fill it with a 3x3 grid of sticky pistons, one layer underneath the floor, so it looks like this. In this middle layer, I'll be placing netherrack down. For the front layer, I'm going to place brick stairs, and for the back layer, I'm going to be placing brick blocks down. The brick texture can be substituted for other textures if you want a different design for your fireplace. We're going to place some redstone wiring now. To these front pistons, we'll place repeaters pointing into them with redstone dust right behind the repeaters. We're going to do the exact same thing on the other side to the back pistons. This is what you should have so far. So far, the front and back layers of the pistons have wiring attached to them. We'll do the middle layer now. For this, we'll place a layer of stone underneath the middle piston layer. Then we'll have another layer of blocks right in this area. We're going to place redstone torches on this side of the block layer, and these torches will cause the middle pistons to extend. We'll then place repeaters pointing into these blocks holding the torches, and then we'll put some redstone dust behind these repeaters. This is what the finished product should look like. We want to invert the current to the middle pistons, so to do that we'll place a redstone torch on a block just like this. Now all the pistons are on the same setting. And now we need to connect all of the redstone together, and I'll show this connection with this blue wool with redstone on top. Now all of the redstone is connected. We can quickly test this connection by placing down a lever and activating it, and it looks like that all the pistons are extending properly. This entrance will work by the activation of a button. I'm going to place my button on this yellow wool block. Now we can't just attach this button to the redstone we already have, because button output currents are very fast and we need to lengthen them first. So we'll be making a redstone repeater pyramid to do this. First, I'm going to carry the button current to the ground. This yellow block right up here holds the button, so I'll place redstone underneath it and I'm going to carry it down. Then I'm going to make a 5-block long line of redstone wire here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now behind this line, we'll place 5 repeaters, and then we're going to place 4 repeaters, and then 3, we'll put 2 here, and 1 here, and then we'll connect all these lines together. And this repeater pyramid will lengthen the button activation output. And also don't forget to set the repeaters to the max delay setting. Now we want to connect the repeater pyramid current to the redstone connected to the pistons. This purple line will do just that. It's also important to invert the current so that the pistons are extended when they're deactivated. So to invert the current, we'll place a redstone torch right here, and we'll fill the rest with redstone dust. Now we can give the button a press, and it's working great. The next part of the tutorial is about the stuff that goes on top of the fireplace. We'll first place dispensers above the nether rack pointing downwards over here. Then on the back side of the fireplace, we'll place downward facing sticky pistons in this area with bricks underneath them. Now we'll place repeaters facing in towards these pistons with redstone dust behind them. And we'll also place redstone dust on top of these dispensers. We want to add a repeater on the max delay setting for the dispensers only, so I'll add that in right over here. And now we'll connect all the redstone up together. And all that's left to do for this is to link the current down here up to here. The easiest way to link the current is through a redstone torch ladder. We'll place a torch above this torch, then a block, and then another torch on top of the block. Now we just need to connect the current to the redstone dust here. We'll give this a test out, and it works great. We want to fill all the dispensers with fire charges. This will light the fire after the nether rack has been moved. Let's test this out now. And it looks like that the lighter works. We can now go through the entrance from the front fine. The last part of the tutorial will add the components in to let us leave the secret area. All you have to do for this is link a button to the redstone repeater pyramid that we built earlier. I did this by having redstone connect to where the other button is. We can now test this out. And it's working great. So there you have it, a secret fireplace entrance in Minecraft. If the video helped, don't forget to leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time.